Once it was just a van. This van has seen the world. Now, after decades on the road, it's time for a second life. This is the story of transformation. This isn't just a restoration, it's the beginning of a new adventure. After finishing the floor and the lower part of the kitchen, we moved on to the ceiling.
I'm gonna drill holes. First I need to clear all the old Sikaflex from there, which is kind of a pain already. So yeah, and then I'm gonna drill holes, cut like a bigger list of aluminium and attach it with rivets. I'm gonna do it for the first time in my life, so we'll see how it's gonna work out. But of course, I'm gonna put a ton of Sikaflex in the middle.
To fix one big hole, you first need to drill many small ones.
I was completely exhausted by the end of this task, as I've spent half a day on it, and in the end I even broke the rivet gun.
Once the hole in the ceiling was finally patched, we primed the surface, and added insulation in the kitchen area. Then it was time to build the metal frame. We also got some engineering support from Victor's father. Big thank you.
Да не надо силы, лучше немного раз ударить, но потихоньку, руками вниз. Вниз вот по этому поставлению, да, промежуточно. So we've installed the roof support, but yeah, to make it into one piece, it's quite a task. That's why maybe we have to be inventive. The last piece of the puzzle is to put this profile here, but obviously I cannot lift up the roof for this distance, so I'm gonna cut out the back side of this profile and just click it inside and then screw it in. And I think that will be enough.
Yay!
Perfect. You don't even need to screw it in, it's like super solid. No, it's not.